back to IDK Idiots. Today we'll be doing this DIY squishy decorating kit. I ordered these squishies off of Amazon. The brand name is called Watt Ink. It comes with 10 squishies, 10 charm hangers, and a bunch of face tattoos you can put on the squishies. You can use marker or you can use these face tattoos, but I'm using both. Let's get started. The 10 squishies look like two biscuit cookies, dumpling, a bear that kind of looks like Mickey Mouse, ice cream swirl, a bear cookie thing, mochi, narwhal, bread, and an ice cream. I'm starting with this squishy first. I'm gonna draw a line through the middle of the sides to make it look like it has red cream. And then I'm using this face tattoo to put on the top. Now that I've got my cream colored in, I'm gonna add the face tattoo on the top. This is how it looks with the face tattoo. This eye kind of got messed up because it didn't peel off with the rest of the face, but it's okay. I'm going to turn this mochi into the Sakura mochi, and I'm going to use these 3 markers to color it in. This is how the Sakura mochi turned out.